Hi, hello, good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to one more interesting session. I'm Sharmila, the HOD of MBA Department, Newton's Engineering College, Macharla. As a part of academic responsibility and service, I would like to start the syllabus of your first semester in the MBA program. As I told earlier, the first paper of your first semester is Management and Organizational Behavior, right? This subject in short is also known as MOB. Here M stands for management and O stands for organizational, B stands for behavior. So the subject in short is known as MOB, right? Now if you have seen the syllabus content, I already told you that every subject will be consisting of 5 units. You can see the syllabus here. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5. Here, unit by unit, I would like to complete all the syllabus. Right? Now today, I would like to start the Unit 1. If you have seen Unit 1, it is having the concepts of definition of management, its nature, functions and importance of management. Also, evaluation of management thoughts, scientific management, administrative management, Hawthorne experiments, system approach, levels of management, managerial skills, planning, steps in planning process, importance and limitations, types of plans, characteristics of a sound plan, management by objectives, techniques and process of decision making, social responsibilities of business. So these are all the key contents of first unit. Now today in this session I would like to cover the concept of definition, nature and functions, right? Today we are going to discuss about the definition, nature and functions of management. So without any late, let us start the session. First, management definition. Management definition. See, management is such a concept that it will be very interesting and at the same time it will be very useful in your life. So every management student must and should have the idea about management. This is the key step of your MBA. You can even compare this subject as the blood of the body, so that without the blood there will be no life in the body. In the same sense, without the subject there will be no use of your MBA. Now let us see the first concept, definition. Definition, right? There are a number of definitions relating to the word management. Very famous management definitions are there, but I would like to mention the most easiest definitions so that the students can remember so easily. Okay? Now let us see the first definition. Management is defined as getting things done perfectly without errors or delay. See how easy the definition it is. I have mentioned this definition because students can easily understand and can easily remember. I repeat it once again. Management definition. Management is defined as getting things done perfectly without errors and delay. What is getting things done perfectly? Getting things done perfectly means completion of your work. Completion of work. You should complete your work. But there is condition. What is that condition? The work must be perfect. When does it called perfect? When there are no errors and no delay in the work. Right? What is the condition here? Completion of work perfectly. What is perfection? Perfection means no errors. No errors or no mistakes. You should not do mistakes. Also, there should not be delay. No delay. No delay means no late process. No late process. So this is what the definition I have given. Getting things done perfectly without errors or delay. You should complete the work. On which basis? On the condition of acquiring perfection. What is perfection? Perfection means 100 out of 100. The work must be correct. You should not have any mistakes. You should not have any errors. And also you should not have the delay. To achieve the perfection in your work, it is suggested to follow 4R principle. What is that principle called? 4R. How many R's are there? 4R. Right? Now I will explain you what is this concept of 4R. If you have seen 4R, there are how many R's? 4 R's. Now let us take R1, R2, R3 and R4. How many R's are there? 4R. Now let us see what does they represent. First R, it stands for right. R stands for right. Time. Right time. Okay. Next, second R, it stands for right place. Right place. Third R, it stands for right person. Right person. And fourth R, it stands for right procedure. Right procedure. When you follow these 4R in your work, definitely your work will be perfect. So that's why whatever the work that you do, you should check these 4R. Now let us see the first one. What is this first one? Right time. Work should be done at the right time. You should not do the work more advance. You should not do the work late. That means the work should not be advance and should not be late. Neither advance nor late. But the work should be done by the correct time. Right time. Right? Next, coming to right place. Right place. The work should be done at the right place. Suppose I would like to do the marketing. Marketing activity should be done at the market area. If you would like to do the financial activities, you should do it at the Department of Finance. Place is important. Place is important. Just I will give you a clarity with a normal funny example. Suppose I would like to go to Delhi by aeroplane. Where shall I go to? I should go to the airport. If I would like to go to Guntur by bus, I can go to bus stand. If I would like to go to Delhi by aeroplane, is it the right place to go to the bus stand? No, not at all. Here, according to the work, you should select the place of work. Right? And also, coming to the right person. This is the third R. What is the third R? Right person. Work should be done by the right person. Who is the right person? A person who is appropriate to that work is called as the right person. Suppose I have fan repair. I should call the electrician. If I go to the doctor and ask for the fan repair, is it the right person? No, not at all. Another example, I have health issue like stomach ache, headache or whatever. Then I should consult a doctor, not an electrician. So this is what it is said to be done by the right person. Work should be done by the right person. And also right procedure. What is this called as? Right procedure. The process, the work should be done by the right way. Suppose I would like to send 1 lakh rupee to my family member at Guntur, for suppose. It is an emergency need. I can use the phone pay rather going directly and giving the money. I can use the phone pay. Within minutes I can transfer money, right? According to the situation, you should select the process, how the work should be done. So this is what the secret of acquiring the perfection in your work. When you do the work at right time, at right place, by the right person, through the right procedure, then that work becomes perfect. Alright? So this is what the actual definition of management. I repeat it again. Management is getting things done perfectly without errors and without delay. Definition is over. Definition is completed. Over. Next, what is the concept of next? Nature of management. Nature of management. What is nature? Nature means there are number of meanings. The things whichever are around us, they are also called as nature. And also here, nature means characteristics. Characteristics. In Telugu, these are called as swabhavam, if not lakshanalu. Swabhavam, if not lakshanalu. So if you have seen the nature of management, the nature of management is said to be having universal approval. What is the first nature? It is universal. First one is universal. Wherever there exists human, there exists management. Without effective management, there is nothing in this universe. Suppose a mother, she will be managing all the household. A bank manager manages everything related to the bank. The management of the college will be managing the academic activities of institution. Hospital, hospitality, hospital, these are all management. So if you have seen, management is everywhere. So that's why it is called to be universal. Universal means everywhere. Right? The second characteristic of management is goal oriented. Goal oriented. What is goal oriented? There is a target actually. There is a target. I do management with certain targets. Suppose I will be having the management in college. What does the college management do? They will be having the target of achieving good feedback about the college and to get more admissions in the academic year. So wherever you go, management is having goal orientation. Third, it is a profession. It is a profession. Just like an MBBS scholar will be working as a doctor, it is his profession. Engineering, an engineer will be having the knowledge of engineering and working as an engineer, it is his profession. In the same sense, those students who are having the qualification of BBA or MBA, bachelor degree in business administration and master degree in business administration, BBA and MBA. These are also profession orientation. Management is profession, and also management, it is neither arts nor science. Management is not relevant to complete arts, not completely relevant to the science. It is neither arts subject nor the science subject. Science subject means we all know physics, mathematics, chemistry, biology. These are all science subjects. Where actually arts means all the types of subjects like commerce, coming to civics for suppose, political science. These are all actually the segments of either art or science. But management is neither arts nor science. And coming to the fifth characteristic of management, it is supreme. It is supreme in thoughts, supreme in thoughts and actions. Supreme in thoughts and actions. Supreme means high level. Management will be done by the high level category of the organization, where actually normal employees and labor will be following the instructions of management. So that's why management is said to be supreme. Coming to the sixth, it is process. It is a process. Management is the process of connecting number of activities, directing number of people, guiding number of people. So however, these are all the characteristics of management. If the question paper will be consisting of the question, explain the nature of management, then you should write all the side headings and explain. Universal, first underline it and give 5 to 7 lines of description. Wherever you go, management is the common subject you should follow. From the house environment to the organization level, from country to the international level, management is everywhere. Without management, we can do nothing. Management helps for the effective and efficient work progress. Likewise, you should write. In the same sense, second side heading, goal orientation, you should explain. Third, you should explain. Likewise, you should write all these 6 side headings and explain. That's it. This is the nature of management. Till now, we have seen the definition of management and nature of management. But I think it is sufficient for today. Tomorrow, in the next class, I will explain the functions of management and importance of management. I hope this video is helpful to you all. Stay connected to the channel and get benefited. Those who think that this is worthy, please give a like. And also, if you feel it is worthy to be shared, share it to the near and dear who are studying the MBA and BBA. Also, if you feel that this channel is worthy to be subscribed, please give your subscription as a support to me so that I can get the encouragement. Thanks for spending your valuable time. Have a nice day.